Making money online has never been easier. The internet has given people more opportunities to make money from what they already love. There are many ways to make money. Now you can earn $474.93 plus instant easy in 3 simple steps. And you don't need any technical skills or experience. And it is super fast and absolutely free. You don't even need to invest any money at all to get started with this method. And of course, this is available worldwide. You can do it from any country around the globe. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start to make your first $400 starting today. And I'll give you something really special and exclusive, so make sure you don't miss out on that. And make sure you click on the first link in the description below to make $1,000 and even more each and every day. But before we start, make sure to watch this video till the end, and remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I know you're trying to make money online and I want to help you out. I'll always update on new money-making hacks for free. And comment below where you are from, and I will create a specific video for your region. Let's jump to the video now. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. However, it is not easy and there are many challenges to affiliate marketing, but you can earn big money from it. Stay till the end as I will walk you through how to get started as an affiliate and how to earn quickly. And how you can simply and easily promote your offers for free. Affiliate marketing provides a way for companies and individuals to earn money from the products they recommend. Affiliate marketers make a lot of money already, but the amount of money that you make in affiliate marketing depends on how much work you put in. If you put in the time, you can earn a lot of money. Today, I will share with you a great place to get started with affiliate marketing. It offers a flexible affiliate program with no fee, no obligation, and no experience needed. It is called Digistore24.com. Digistore is a leading e-commerce platform that offers multiple digital and physical products that enable you to get paid from anywhere in the world. Digistore offers excellent affiliate marketing opportunities. You can make money on Digistore by creating an affiliate account and earning commissions on every sale you make. To get started, sign up for an affiliate account on Digistore. It is free and it is very easy. First, click on Register Now button. You can simply fill out all the required information such as your email, personal information, and your region, etc. Also, Digistore offers a step-by-step guide to help you set up your affiliate account and start earning commissions. Once you have signed up, you can log into your account and choose Marketplace, where you can find many products you can promote. For example, if you choose this product, you will find here how much you will earn. And to get your affiliate link, hit Promote Now button. So you will get here your link which you can share, and once anyone buys through it you will earn money. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to earn money online. However, to get good traffic to your offers is something not that easy and costly. Traffic is the lifeblood of any affiliate marketer. Traffic means that people see your offers and go through your links, and if they buy, you get paid. Many people struggle to get the real targeted traffic, spend money on solo ads, Google or Facebook ads, and wait for weeks to see results but get no success. Don't worry. Now, you are able to get high-quality traffic to your links and start earning commissions instantly. I have something really special and exclusive. The fastest, easiest and silliest method, newbies, people with no skills, talent and some by pure luck using to generate 10,000 plus visitors in a day. Make sure you click on the links in the description below to get free targeted traffic in just a few seconds. If you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.